Hey guys, once again, we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Amazon site. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Let's explore these game-changing kitchen tools together. Everyone has a colander in their kitchen, but not every colander is the same. This 2-in-1 Smart Colander saves up space in the kitchen because it has a small bowl attached to it. So it allows you to drain off the water without the stress of transferring food to another container. Its elongated holes quickly draw water from food, speeding up the draining process. When was the last time you sharpened your knives? If the answer is more than 3 months, now is the time to reinvigorate your dull knives with this must-have kitchen tool. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, all you need to do is give your knife a few proper pulls at each slot in one direction, and the knife you're about to throw away will be transformed into treasure. Having a perfect breakfast is essential for a perfect day, and having perfectly boiled eggs is essential for a good breakfast. But boiling eggs to perfection is not as easy as it seems. With this egg cooker, boiling eggs is child's play. Plus, you can also poach eggs and make scrambled eggs. Just place your eggs in the cooker and the buzzer will indicate that the eggs are ready. Gone are the days when you had to burn the midnight oil to pop your popcorns. With this silicone pop maker, all you have to do is add kernels and microwave this maker. It is made from a heat-resistant silicone lid, which is totally dishwasher safe. On top of that, you do not need oil or butter to make popcorns, so now you can enjoy your movie nights without any guilt whatsoever. Cheese can instantly raise any dish, but grating it can be pretty strenuous. That is why this Rotary cheese grater is vital for every kitchen. Its sharp holes efficiently grate both soft and hard cheese, and even other foods like chocolate and nuts. It has switchable handles, so it is suitable for both left and right-handed users. Who does not love peas in their pasta? But peeling these cute little peas is annoying as heck. Well, not anymore with this pea peeler. It just works like those rotary sharpeners we loved in childhood. All you need to do is roll the handle and you will have some freshly peeled peas. Whether your freezer has an automatic ice maker or not, this ice cube tray is an essential requirement for you to add to your beverages. Now you don't have to struggle to fill the tray with water. Just fill it like your bottle. Freeze it, and quickly release the ice cubes just by shaking. Another plus point is that the ice cubes do not pick up the smell and taste of other contents of the freezer. Does the constant need for stirring impede your cooking speed? This automatic pot stirrer is perfect to act as your third hand while cooking, so you can focus on other tasks like cutting and cleaning up. It features 2 speeds, so it is a good fit for all those watery soups as well as thick custard puddings.
You can find the links of all these gadgets in the description. So guys, please thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get updates about my all upcoming videos.